Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with solar power prep, triple step entry, outside speakers, electric stabilizer jacks, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, triple slides, spare tire and carrier, backup camera ready, outside shower, roof ladder, power tongue jack, LED exterior lighting, LED interior lighting, mirrored wardrobe doors, high-rise faucet, freestanding table with chairs, flush mount gas range cover, interior grab handle at entry door, dual lights over headboard, 3-burner cooktop, theater seat for 2 with cup holders, bathroom toilet, residential refrigerator, AM FM CD DVD Bluetooth stereo system, walk-in wardrobe closet, stainless sink, roller shade window coverings, bedroom dresser, bathroom cabinet with mirror. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.